Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to take you on a whirlwind tour through some of the most fundamental laws of science. Buckle up because we're going to master these concepts fast. First up, Newton's laws of motion. You've heard the names, now let's make sense of them quickly. The first law, objects at rest stay at rest, and objects in motion stay in motion unless acted upon by an external force. This is why, when you stop pushing your shopping cart, it eventually rolls to a stop. Moving on to the second law, force equals mass times acceleration, or F equals sine ma. This means the more massive an object, the more force you need to speed it up or slow it down. Ever wonder why it's so hard to push a car compared to a bike? Now you know. Newton's third law might sound familiar. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. Think of it like this. When you jump, your legs push down on the ground, and the ground pushes back up, propelling you into the air. Simple, right? Next, let's dive into the law of conservation of energy. This law tells us that energy cannot be created or destroyed. It can only be transformed from one form to another. So when you eat your breakfast, the chemical energy stored in your food is converted into kinetic energy as you go about your day. Now, how about thermodynamics? The first law is essentially the law of conservation of energy applied to heat. The second law of thermodynamics is a bit more doom and gloom. It states that the entropy, or disorder of the universe, always increases over time. This is why things naturally go from order to chaos unless energy is used to maintain order. And we can't talk about science laws without touching on Einstein's theory of relativity. E equals mc2, where E is energy, m is mass, and c is the speed of light squared. This formula tells us that mass and energy are interchangeable. It's this principle that powers our sun and even atomic bombs, all from a little algebra. Lastly, let's not forget about the lesser-known but equally fascinating laws like Hubble's law, which tells us that the universe is expanding, and the farther away a galaxy is, the faster it's moving away from us. Fascinating, isn't it? And there you have it, a quick summary of some of the pivotal laws that govern our universe. I hope this sparks your curiosity to dive deeper into the wonders of science. Remember, understanding the basic laws is just the beginning. There's a whole universe of knowledge out there waiting for you. Until next time, keep questioning, keep learning. End of script.